Hey guys, it's JohnyTechReview. Today I have a quick unboxing and review for you of this Revogi, the light smart light. So as you can see here, this is a standard US socket light bulb, and that's designed to control from your phone. You can use both iOS or Android app to control this. So it came in a little box like this, and over here you have a little bit of instruction on how to use it. Tell you to screw in your light bulb, turn on the switch, and then download the app. The app is called the Light, and then you just download using one of the QR code here, or just search in the App Store, and it's ready to go. So in the back here you have a little bit more information. You have simultaneously control up to 10 bulb. You have a millions color, so use RGB basically. You have MSC control, and then down here you have some information regarding the light bulb. So it's using a maximum of 6 watt of power, and then you have a 4000 Kelvin neutral white. So support iOS 6 and Android 4.3 with Bluetooth 4.0. Let's take a look inside here. So this is the light bulb. The light bulb actually feels really solid and really heavy actually. A heavy base at the bottom here. And this looks like it's made out of plastic. There's your Revogi logo right now. So here I have one of the lamp with the shade take off, and you can see the light bulb plug in here. I'm going to turn it on right now. And you can see the flicker, and then it come on white. So this light here is actually a very nice neutral white light. It's not very cold and it's not very warm. It looks very nice and it's pretty bright so far. So the app that we need to get is called the Light by Revogi here. We can just go ahead and install that. So this app looks like it supports Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch, you can actually control the light from the Apple Watch, which is pretty neat. Installation instruction, swapping the light, which we're already done. Turn it on, we're good to go. Bluetooth is on and we're ready. So let's just go ahead and get started here. Searching for it, and look like I found a bowl already very quick. You can see there I can go ahead and turn it on and off right here, just like that, and it's working fine, as you can see. So here's the app. You have control of the brightness down here. We can dim the brightness down to nothing, all the way to off, and on just a little bit down. Give you an idea right now. Really nice bright light bulb. We can change the color, so very nice RGB spectrum. We can just change it to any color we want here. Of course, adjust the brightness. We can also match it with a picture. So if we pick a picture from our gallery, for example, and I pick a picture, let's say my kid here for example, and I mask the green here in the back, and we can go ahead and pick the light color here. So the green down, skin shade down, and you can see the white down, and that kind of works. It's kind of give you an idea. Pretty cool. Over here you have this button. This button just let you turn on the neutral white. You can just press that to reset, so you can go to any color and you can press it. Go right back to the neutral white right now. So this little bulb has a firmware update. However, I was unable to see it, and it turned out the software on iOS needed to be updated. And you can see here, if you go here, you hit the pencil button and you hit the arrow key, you can go into this setting here and you can kind of see the option here, and now it will tell you that there's a new version that you can update to 4.3. so it tell you that this update will reset everything, so that's kind of sad, but yeah, if you have any setting or rule like that, you will lose them. So while the firmware is being updated, this light bulb actually changed to various different colors. It's hard to see right now, but it's changing between kind of like light blue and white, and it's keep flashing back and forth between the two colors. And here on my phone you can see it's already 25% done. It's going decently fast. Bluetooth 4.0 is kind of slow, so yeah, we're gonna have to see how this works. So you can see after the update here, we still have the same functionality. We do have this little icon down here. We can quickly pick some color that we save, some of our favorite color, I guess. You can see you can add your new favorite color by picking, for example, pink here. Hit that, press the flavor, plus sign right there, and then you have now the pink color. So you can also remove them by just click on them and hit delete. You can see here you can scroll over and add more if you wanted to, so that's an option. If you go to effect now, we have all these different effects that was there before but I was unable to use because the firmware was not updated on the light bulb, and now we're able to use them. So let's go ahead and try Kaleidoscope for a second here. As you can see here, it's slowly basically pulsating between different color. We can also do something like show, and show here just show you it's moving around. Look like the same as Kaleidoscope, I think, but you can kind of play around here and you can kind of see it's going around randomized on each color and rotating between them. And we can go even faster, as you can see here. You also have the strobe mode here, and you know, just a warning, you can see there's a strobe. Oh wow, that's pretty crazy. And the new candle flicker mode that was not working before. A little candle flickering though. I wish that you have some control of this, but you don't. And the shake option, which you've seen before, just won't exist before. So we can just shake it. You can see now, just shake, change color to randomly color. So it just randomly change color. Can I show you an idea? We can also turn on music visualization. So it wants access to the microphone here. We'll press OK on that. Hello. 1, 2, 3. You can see it's changing color as I am talking to the microphone. So some other option you get in this light bulb, you press this little dot here and click on it. You get a timer, which you can set how long the light bulb can go on and off. Let me show you real quick. You can see right here, and we can set it to go off. And we have scheduler, which is nice. This is what I want to do normally. we set it to on and off based on the schedule, and you can pick the date so that it automatically come on and off. And this is a very nice feature, so you can have your light bulb come on at certain time, stay long for whatever time, and then go off. Or you can also set it to on and off as a separate variation here, and you can have different light bulb that you can control from here. Proximity function, this is you want to turn it on as soon as your phone go out range of Bluetooth, which is about 20 feet or so, the light will go off, and when you go back in range it will come back on. You also have incoming and SMS for iOS. This work okay. When I get a call, it will flash a little bit, and if you get a message, it also flash a little bit. That's basically about it. There's also just anti-burger mode, which basically just turn on the light bulb certain time interval and then go off. So overall, to me, just Revogi light bulb works pretty well. Really simple to use. The interface are pretty simple on the iOS app at least. When you get this light bulb, if you don't have all the extra functionality, you do want to do a firmware update. I like the scheduler setting. It's one of the most used features that I use in all these different kind of light bulb. You can just set them to go on and off. Usually around 5 p.m. I will have my light bulb come on, and around midnight I like them to go off. They do not use that much energy. These are LED light bulb. On the other end, the light bulb itself, even on the bright setting here, is not extremely bright. It's pretty good, but it's not the brightest light bulb out there. So I would say these are equivalent to about 30-40 watt light bulb. So you can expect that out of this light bulb. So I hope this short little review helped you in your purchase decision. If you have any question, let me know in the comment below. And as always, stay tuned for future review. Thank you.